Hello guys, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending watching where come from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mr. Shaban. Yes, so this is another day God given us. So thank you so much guys, and welcome so much. If anyone new for this channel, please consider subscribe my YouTube channel. Yes, Mr. Shaban. Mr. Shaban, that is name of my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Today I have amazing video guys, nice video, amazing video, you know. So welcome so much. Today I am going to show you this video. Now I am here for this village guys, and you will enjoy so much amazing video guys. So stay tuned guys to watch this video, and if you are watching this video guys, watch full video. You will get, yes, you will get more for this video of today guys. You will enjoy so much, utafurahia sana. Kuna elimu zaidi katika video hii, utapata mengi zaidi katika video hii ambayo kabisa imechanganya mambo mengi ambayo unaenda kujipatia. Ikiwa wewe ni mkulima ambayo unalima mahindi, utapata mengi zaidi ndani ya video hii, na utaweza kufurahia na utaweza kuenjoy so much. Zaidi ya kuenjoy, utaweza kupata kile ambacho unachoenda kukipata ndani ya video hii. I love you so much. May God bless you so much. Now I want to show you well for this farming in this village. Welcome so much, and enjoy this video of today. Welcome now. I want to show you well. Wow. Now I want to go down there. I want to go down there with my new family here. You know, yes. All this guys. Look at this. Amazing village guys. Thank you so much. I love you. Stay tuned. I love you. Guys, now I've visit. Oh, okay. Na hizi nazo mbona ziko hapa hizi? Hizi viazi? Kidogo. Wow. Na hizi viazi? Wow. Sasa hii ni majani chai. Ile pale. Oh, so hapa. Oh. Look at this banana guys. This banana is so beautiful, This village guys. Wow. Look at this banana. So nice, so nice. Okay. Sa iki jiji sasa mmesema kinaitwaje? Muragadhia. Muraradhia. Dia. Diaradhia. Muraradia. 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 Murara.
Majani chai. Unaona tofauti ya hii?
Yes.
Hii imeshachunwa.
This one.
Hii iko. Sasa unaona kuna nyingi ya?
Ndio.
2 na katikati.
Okay.
2
na katikati alafu na chuna.
Lakini bado
haija na kama iko na miaka mingapi? Mbona kisiki chake nimeona kabisa ni kikubwa. Angalia. Saka mfano mtu amesema amepanda sasa hivi atavuna mpaka lini? Miaka 4. 4 years.
Inaenda tu unaanza na mavuno kidogo.
Oh, guys, look at this avocado, guys. Wow. This avocado is so amazing. So nice. Wow. Wow. So guys, I visited this village. This is tea. Utamaneje kushuka kule chini wewe? Na kupanda. So guys, this is kahawa. Yes. This is coffee. Kahawa kanatokaga hapa sasa. Wale ambao hawajui kahawa ni wapi kanatoka. Kahawa kanatoka hapa. Yes. Oh. So amazing. Kahawa kale tunakunywaga kwa mahoteli, nyumbani kwetu, wapi. Kanatoka hapa. Kanatoka hapa. This one. This is majani chai. Yeah, all this over here. Or another side there, you know. And so we wanted to go down there, you know. Look at this way. Look at this way. And we came from there up down upside there. So now we're going there. Look at this way, man. Hey. Okay. Very crazy, man. Wow. Oh, haya nao ni majani ya ng'ombe haya?
Ni majani ya ng'ombe.
Oh. Majani ya ng'ombe.
Mama yangu analima kulima. Hii ni ya ng'ombe zake.
Na ni nzuri sana. Pole.
Umeona green. Wewe.
Pole. Wewe ndo unakuja kusaka kuteku pole.
Wewe.
Guys, this is
umeona green kabisa huko.
Wow. Look at this place, guys. River hapa. Oh, kamto kadogo. Yeah. Have small water here. Little water here. Okay. Look at this, guys. Hizi hapa. Oh, nduma. In Kiswahili call mahole. Okay. Wow. Oh, maize. And I see here cabbage. Lakini kuna moja imeharibika. Ama mvua imekuwa nyingi? Mvua ni nyingi ndio imeharibu ama? Okay. Guys, this village is so amazing. Let me show you well here. Yes. Wow, 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 wow. Oh. Okay. This maize, guys. Oh, na hii wamekinga ndege sasa, hii ndege zina nini? Ndio naona. Zilikuwa zimeanza kuharibu hapa. Oh, guys. Look at this amazing maize. Maize so amazing, man. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this. So, this one, guys, wamefunika hivi ndiposa ndege zisiweze kuharibu, destroy this, you know. Yes, so you know this already, ndege zishaanza kuharibu hapa, lakini if you do this, ndege cannot destroy. Okay, but I have good idea. Here. Yeah, I can know this, but from today I know paper bag is very important. Si ya kufunga maandazi na chapati peke yake. Si ya kufunga chapati na maandazi peke yake. Hata mahindi bwana. Hata mahindi ukifunika ndege wasikule. Inasaidia, nimeona, nimepata ujuzi. This is good idea. Wow. Okay. So guys, today I have amazing video, nice video, you know. And this video is so amazing. Wow. Look at this. And this is Nduma. Yeah, and this is a river. You know, here I have water. Okay. And wow, msheveve. And this is msheveve. I remember me and baby Carol, he was cooking this msheveve there in the Nyabohanze. Yes. So I miss so much msheveve. Msheveve is so good vegetable, you know. So good vegetable. Ni mboga nzuri ambayo inaongeza damu kwa mwili. So this is kahawa, you know. Yeah, this is coffee. Yes. Msheveve, pumpkin. Yeah, in English, pumpkin. Oh, I am enjoying so much. Nimefurahia sana kuwa katika kijiji hiki. Hiki kijiji kabisa kimejaliwa na Mwenyezi Mungu. Mungu amekibariki. Ona mahindi vile yalivyo mazuri. Na huku miti ni mizuri sana. Mungu ameneemesha sana. So najaribu kuchanganya Kiswahili kwa sababu mnajua mimi mwenyewe Kiingereza bado tunasumbuana, sijakielewa vizuri, lakini very soon nitakijua, na nitakapokijua kitajua hakijui. Kitajua hakijui. But nimefurahia sana. Nimefurahia sana kuwa hapa katika kijiji hiki. I get more knowledge here. Yes. More education, you know. I cannot know this paper bag. It is well to protect maize like this, you know. I cannot know this, by the way. Yeah, maize protect. No, paper bag protect like this maize. I don't know, sikuwa najua hivi, lakini leo nimejua na ninafurahia kwa sababu ya haya ambayo nimeyajua. Sikuwa najua kabisa chochote kile kabisa kuhusu kwamba eti karatasi kama hii, mfuko kama huu unaweza funika mahindi kwa ajili ya kulinda mahindi, ndege hizo ambazo zinalialia huko. zisiweze kuharibu kama ambavyo zilikuwa zimeanza kuharibu hapa hivi. Kama mnavyoona hapa. Unaona? Yes, zilikuwa zimeharibu sana, lakini Mungu naye ni nani? Mungu akaumba mwanadamu. Alipoumba mwanadamu, na ukumbuke ya kwamba Mungu alipomuumba mwanadamu, ever God create man, he give authority Adam, aweze kuwapatia wanyama majina. So ina maana kwamba Mungu aliweza kumpa agizo la kwamba atatawala, because have authority, atatawala viumbe vyote vilivyoko duniani kama mnavyoona hapa. Ndipo mtu huyu akaweza kupata knowledge ya kuweza kufanya nini, ya kuweza kuzuia mahindi wake, wasiweze kuharibiwa na nini, na ndege. Kwa sababu gani? Kwa sababu because God give this man a good idea to protect this maize, you know. So like this. Wow, can you imagine? Can you imagine, guys? Oh, this is amazing video. This is an amazing video. So if you watch this video, in case you are new, please consider subscribe my YouTube channel and like and comment and share. I really appreciate it, guys. You know, yes, this is amazing video and amazing video, beautiful video. Wow, nice video, guys. Because kama uko na wewe ni mkulima na ndege wako na shamba lako kama hili la mahindi limevamiwa na ndege wa angani, hata kama wanakula ambapo hawajalima, lakini ni sawa, vyote ni viumbe hai, inafaa hata pia vikule. Lakini hata ndege wenyewe wanapokula wasikule wamalize, kwa sababu sisi bado tuna mahitaji mbalimbali tunayohitaji katika kukidhi mahitaji yetu, umeona? So kama wewe ni mkulima, if you are farmer, it is well to watch this video. It is well to watch this video. This video is so amazing. So let me show you well, guys. This is amazing video. If you are farmer, you are farming, it is well to watch this video, because this is a good idea to you. This is an amazing video to you. If you want to protect your maize, yeah, be like this. So take your paper bag, like this paper bag, and came to protect your maize, you know, your land. Yes, like this, you know. This man protect well this. Let me show you well. Akaweza kufanya nini? Akaweza kuprotect shamba lake kupitia nini? Kupitia mifuko ya kufunga mandazi, kufunga machapati, kufunga vitu vingi pale dukani tunapokuwa tukijua kama rice there. And ukumbuke ya kwamba wow. This video is so amazing. Na ukumbuke ya kwamba utakapoenda bado kununua mahindi haya sokoni, if you go to buy this in the market, utafungiwa katika tu hii tu ndo utafungiwa nayo. So this paper bag is very important. It's very important. So today I know this. You know, I know this. This is important. Unafungiwa ndani ya hili, na ukumbuke kuna wengi kabisa kama mimi siko najua hili. Siko najua kwamba paper bag inaweza protect mahindi kiasi hichi. Siko najua. Don't know the siko najua, but today nimejua. So ni vizuri hata mwingine ajue, ndiposa uweze kujua. Please guys, watch this video, full video. continue to watch this video every day, if you are farming, by the way, and share this video. Many people knows this, because this is a good idea to protect your land and your maize. So thank you so much, and everything over here will be gonna be all right, and I will continue to show you many places of this village. Yeah, and you will enjoy so much. This video, guys. May God bless you. Bless you so much to watch this video, guys, and continue to support me. And God in heaven, I believe you'll make everything over here be good, all right, like this, guys. Amazing. Oh, so guys, this is kahawa coffee. Can you imagine? Yes. Inakuwaga sweet. Oh,
lakini lazima ikipelekwa kwa factory.
Okay.
They do crush it.
Okay.
You see there is a seed.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Then they do. Oh no, they would dry it like the way.
Hapa hakuna wadudu?
Oh, not really. They dry it. This is now the coffee beans.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Coffee beans. So from this to that.
Okay. And inaanikwa kwa jua.
Yeah, they spread it.
Okay.
The sun.
Okay.
Dries it up.
Okay.
Then it's crushed.
Wow.
It has got a lot of processes.
Okay.
Lots of processes. Before it becomes the coffee you drink.
Okay. And
Very expensive.
Very expensive.
So coffee is expensive. 750.
750.
Did you see the little one we bought in Quickmas?
Yes.
Like that. It was like 600.
Can you imagine?
600 shillings. That's like $5.
$5.
Yeah.
Wow. So expensive.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, good. I don't know if I
And this is the beans.
Those are beans, but they need weeding.
Yeah. This is so smart. Can you imagine? Hey.
When you are doing the
mpaka uingie huko ndani.
you go to the yard.
Okay.
When you finish, you enter into the other row.
Wow.
So you
Wow.
you have a basket behind your back.
Okay.
You are picking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Unatupia kwa mgongo. Kwa bucket iko kwa mgongo.
Go to the end.
Okay.
You see there are rows.
Oh, this way.
Yeah, that's you can enter there.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, you go like that until the end.
No snake here.
No. Do wear gumboots
Okay.
or wellies.
And ni kama ziko na matunda huku ndani.
You can find like that one is a fruit tree. This one.
Okay.
But no, they are not fruit.
Okay. Na hizi ni nini hizi?
Is that tomato?
Yeah.
Yeah, anything can grow because you know the soil
Yes.
is very fertile.
Wow.
See the avocado.
Nini?
You see the avocado?
Yeah. Okay.
It's got big avocado.
Okay.
They are growing.
Wow. So nice. So guys, njia so inatafutwagwa hivi.
Yeah, because you know this is a branch, one branch.
Okay.
This is one branch.
This is one blank.
This one,
Okay.
all rounded.
Okay.
It's an individual branch
Wow.
planted in a row.
Okay. Wow. Amen.
So I divide them
Yes.
in portions. Naona hapa kuna njia.
Acha nipitie.
Sasa hapa kuna njia.
Okay.
So that first of all they will do this part start maybe this week.
Okay.
Maybe
And the next week?
they
Okay.
go there.
Okay.
While they are still harvesting,
Okay.
this will still be
Okay.
germinating.
Oh, wow.
Then after some time,
Yes.
they prune them. You see this one?
Yes.
They cut them with that knife,
Hey.
so it becomes like that.
Okay.
When they are not very fertile, isn't it? They prune them so they can start growing fresh. If you look at this one, you can see this is more healthier now.
Okay, this is.
This is the one. This is now where tea comes from.
Wow.
Yeah?
Very ni process
This is
kubwa.
what, yeah, maybe if we have a chance another time we'll go to the factory.
Yes.
And you'll see the process.
The process.
From the farm,
Okay.
it's taken to the buying center. There's a buying center there.
Okay.
Every farmer has got an account.
An account.
Yeah, your farmer's account.
Farmer's account.
So when you sell your tea,
Okay.
it is weighed,
Yes.
and your kilos are put in your account.
Wow.
And then at the end of the month,
Yes.
yeah, you have a monthly income.
Wow.
And then at the end of the year,
Yes.
there is a bonus.
Bonus.
Yearly bonus. For example, even 1 year,
Yes.
you've harvested 10,000 kilos.
Okay.
They will now pay the 10,000 kilos.
So.
Maybe times they might say, we'll pay you 100 shillings per kilo.
Per kilo.
So if you have like 10,000 kilos,
Hey.
how much is that? 100,000. 10,000 times 100. Yeah, it may be 100,000. If you have, the more you have,
Wow.
the more money. But this,
Uh-huh.
you don't just come and you have to weed underneath, remove all the weeds,
Yes.
put fertilizer,
Okay. Wow.
pruning.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey. That is it.
I don't know where my mom put. I gave her something to plant for me.
Hey. Look at this, guys. So amazing. Can you imagine? Guys? Hey. Today is today. I'm enjoying so much. So much. Look at this. This is tea. Na kabisa, hili ni shamba la mandizi sasa.
Yeah, this is banana farm.
Banana farm.
No, this one, this is lemon.
What is this?
Lemongrass.
Oh, lemongrass. Be careful.
Let me see if, I don't know what
with the snake.
Where? They are not snakes. Oh no, this is not the... It's not this one, no. No, it's this one, I think. It's this one.
Oh.
Oh, I think she got rid of my lemon. So she got
Oh,
rid of
napier
my-
glass. Oh. Wow. Haya mahindi kweli ni mazuri. Mahindi ama mandizi. Yale mahindi ndio amenichanganya kule chini. Oh, the cow. Yeah. Yes.
They'll still germinate.
Oh. Hey.
They're germinating so they'll become
Okay. Okay. Yes. Wow. 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 Unaitwa nani wewe? What is your name?
Do they have names?
What is your name?
Sometimes my mom used to call them names.
Okay.
Queen.
Hey, please.
The water they drink from here.
Okay.
This is the water trough.
Oh, this water.
See, there's water.
Okay. See, moto ni
They
baridi.
drink from there.
From
But now,
here. Na hapa wanaweka dawa ikiwa bado.
You see?
Yes.
But the other one.
Yes. Okay. Hapa napo ni mahali ambapo inakulia chakula.
Yeah, that's feeding trough.
Yes.
Yeah, and this is drinking trough.
Okay.
Yeah. There is another one down there. There are some sheep up there.
Yes. Okay. I see. Wow. And here I see grofer. Oh. Okay. Wow. Oh, amazing. So amazing, guys. So amazing.
These ones are almost.
Hivi karibuni hizi zitakuliwa, hizi zitakuwa zimekomaa kama miezi 2 iko mbele. Sugar cane. Hapa kabisa naona hakuna kitu kinanunuliwa sokoni. Hapa hakuna kitu kinanunuliwa sokoni.
Kinanunuliwa sukari, nini, mafuta.
Okay, this water. Okay. Hapa kabisa naona mambo yako sawa sawa. Wow. Yes, so guys, now I want today is today. So down there, guys, I come from down there, you know. Yes, so wow, I get more knowledge here for this village, guys. Yeah. Hey, can you imagine paper bag? This is more experience. Yeah, more experience. But let me say thank you who helped me to come here for this village. Yes, because wow. Hey, thank you so much, God. Thank you so much, God. So now, guys, I want to end the video here. Yes, if anyone new for this channel, guys, please consider subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. I really appreciate you so much, so very much. So now I want to end the video here. May God bless you. More blessings from above. So may God bless you so much. More blessings. So see me to another vlog of today, of tomorrow. Yes, see me to another video tomorrow, guys. Good. Have good day. May God bless you so much. Bye bye. I love you so much.